Alright, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. You know, a while back, Chef Dom made a video of the shrimp scampi that he served at his restaurant, and Daddy Jack's recipe. And that was actually sauteed. Today we're pulling out a family treasure. We're doing a baked shrimp scampi. This was our father's recipe, and he was making this since the 1960s at his restaurant.
In the pizza oven, no less, right? On a 500, 600 degree pizza oven.
Yeah, and it was fantastic. This recipe is garlicky, buttery, and crispy.
Nice lemon.
The breadcrumb soak up all those juices. That gives you an unbelievable experience. All right, let's get cooking.
All right, guys, we got some beautiful peeled and deveined 1620 Gulf shrimp here, wild caught, beautiful. It smells so fresh, like you can't smell. I mean, it's just
you don't smell seafood.
All right, we're gonna put a couple of little pats of butter on the bottom with some garlic. All right, that should be good for now. All right, now we're gonna put some garlic. I'm just gonna spread it out on the butter. We mix together some butter and olive oil so it doesn't burn on the bottom, but this cooks really fast anyway, this dish. It's, you know. All right, here we go. We're gonna put some pepper on there. You don't want to put too much salt in here because the Progresso breadcrumb, the Italian, is pretty salty. So, just want to put a little bit of salt. That's it. Now we're gonna put some lemon in here. Few seeds never hurt anybody. What happened? You didn't splurge for seedless lemons this time?
I didn't see it. I didn't see it.
That's only lemon on my hands. Good disinfectant. Fresh lemon. I don't know if anybody knew that, but let's see. I'm gonna get some parsley now. Grandma style right there.
That's it.
Big chunks
of
big chunks of parsley. Remember the chicken Grandma used to make with all you know, with the parsley flavor?
Oh yeah.
Woo. All right. Now we're gonna put a little bit of we got some Chardonnay we're gonna put in here.
Oh yeah, very nice. More butter.
Oh, definitely. All right, now we're gonna dust this off with a little breadcrumb.
Nice. We'll make her another one.
Let's get this in the oven. All right, we're gonna check this in about, what is it on, Paul, oven? 450? We're gonna check it in about 5 minutes, and then it'll probably take like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know, let's see. All right, we're gonna take these out, one of these out. Let's check this one out first. Look at that. I know it looks like shrimp oregano, but there's no oregano in it, and this is how we used to do it.
Yeah,
serve it with a side of spaghetti. Yum, yum. Where's the spaghetti, man?
No spaghetti today.
What do you mean?
Wait, hold on. Okay, well, beautiful.
A little parsley on there. A little more parsley. Never hurt anybody. And we got a couple of pieces of lemon we're gonna throw in here.
Oh, beautiful.
And now it's time to eat.
All right, before we taste this, I want to give a shout out to my brother-in-law Jason and his partner Dorjan. They started a YouTube channel where they showcase different types of foods and events. They visited Six Flags here in Texas, and they gave a great review. I really encourage you to check it out. I'm going to have a link below in the description. All right, let's taste this shrimp. Let's see this one here. Oh, look at that juice.
That's all you want?
Yeah, I just want one shrimp.
We'll get lost there. More for me.
All right. Oh my God.
Good.
Brings back memories, let me tell you. I love baked shrimp scampi. I also love sauteed, but baked is delicious. That breadcrumb absorbs all those, the sauces from the wine, the garlic, the butter. It's absolutely delicious. And yeah, don't forget the crusty bread to dip in this sauce too. Anyway, thanks for watching. And I encourage you to try out a piece of our history. You'll really enjoy this recipe. It's quick, it's easy,
Excellent.
and it's delicious. I mean, you can do this in a weekend night in 20 minutes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next recipe. Ciao.
Thanks, guys. Take care.